Cement is the backbone of modern construction, found in everything from homes and bridges to roads and skyscrapers. But before it reaches the construction sites, cement goes through a carefully designed process inside a production plant. Let's take a closer look at how a cement plant works. Cement production begins with quarrying limestone, the primary raw material. Large tanks of limestone are extracted and sent through crushers to break them into smaller, manageable pieces. These crushed stones, along with iron ore, sand, and other raw materials, are stored in the mixing bay and pre-mixed before being ground into a fine powder in the raw mill and stored in silos. This fine blend is called raw meal. The raw meal is then passed through a preheater tower, where it is heated by rising hot gases. Next, it enters the heart of the process, the rotary kiln. Here, at a temperature above 1400 degrees Celsius, a series of chemical reactions take place, turning the raw meal into clinker, small grain noodles that form the basis of cement. The exhaust gas from the rotary kiln is directed to the preheater tower for heating the raw meal. Once formed, the clinker is rapidly cooled to preserve its reactivity and stored in the clinker storage. At this stage, secondary additives like gypsum are introduced, which help regulate the setting time of cement. The clinker and additives are then finely ground in cement mills to produce the finished product, cement powder. This cement is stored in large silos ready for dispatch. Finally, the cement is packed into bags or dispatched in bulk for delivery to construction sites and industries. This marks the completion of the journey from raw limestone to one of the most vital materials in modern construction. From quarry to kiln and from clinker to cement, this process highlights the blend of engineering and chemistry that makes cement production possible.